What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2013 Dodge Avenger, and I'm going to show you how to take this factory radio out. And we're going to be installing a new Kenwood piece. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is actually take this piece out. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can take your panel removal tool and try to get in there, or you can come down here. There we go. Once we get that to pop off, everything else, so they're only held in by clips. So boom. All right, so we got that piece off. Now we come up here. We definitely want to use our panel removal tool up here because it is held in all by clips. Now this piece is a piece by itself, and then you have this piece that comes out. So what we want to do is probably try to come. This thing is actually going to slide forward, so probably want to get in here and see if we can't pop a clip up or something. Yeah. Sorry I had to put the camera down, man, but I only have two hands and one I'm holding with the camera, and I do not want to break this piece. But once I got it in down here, I was able to kind of take my other pick tool and come up and pop these front clips. Once I popped those front clips, I was able to get my hand over here and then just kind of do like a little tug motion and pull forward, because as you can see, those things are in at an angle. Once we do that, we should be able to put our hand up here with some more pressure. There we go. And you start to see that dash kit come off. That dash panel come off just like that. Come up here from this side. Yep. Just kind of let that hang down like that. And we have some Torx. That looks like a T15 or a T20. Let me check and see which one it is. And it is a T20. Let's go ahead and take these out. All right, so now that we have those out, we can just slide that radio out like that. Disconnect one harness and one antenna. And boom, factory radio right there, hanging out. And we have this right here. Now, we are going to be putting a double DIN in, so in order for that thing to fit how we want it to fit, we need to take out this bracket. So we need to go ahead and use that same T20 and take out 1, 2, and 3. Alright, shouldn't be any need for cutting, but that thing does kind of get in the way sometimes as far as the metal bracket. Alright, so now that we got that out, let's go ahead and get over here to the bench and prep our dash kit. So in the dash kit, you're going to get this piece, which is for a single DIN. We don't need that. You're going to get this piece. It's going to come with two different type of bars, and you actually have to build it together. It comes with 4 screws in there. But you have a long nose bar and a short nose bar, and the reason being is because if you have a radio that's kind of like this that has the long part right here, you will use the long nose. If you have a radio that's more flush, that's not a motorized piece or anything like that, then you can use the short nose. But before Metro changed their dash kit, this was the only thing that was in there. I like using these, so I'm going to continue to use these. And basically all we need to do is we put our radio right there, and we take this, mount it on top, and boom, put our screw in on the left and on the right, and then we have that flush look right there, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Alright, so we have the radio right here, and then it's looking good. It's going to look even better inside the dash, and all we did was actually put those 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right, or I got that backwards. But either way, let's go ahead and get this thing wired up and back inside the car. Alright guys, so we're inside the car, we got the radio wired up, and this is your first time here. You're probably thinking like, dude, you didn't show us how to do the wiring. That's the most important part. Well, the reason I don't do those anymore is because I have over 120 something different cars that I do for you guys. What I did is I made one video on how to wire up a radio. I go over what these different wire colors mean, how to do different connections and all that type of stuff. That video is in the description. There's also a link in the cars that should be popping up in the corner. Go watch that. And the reason I do that way I can keep this nice, short, sweet, simple, straight to the point. So let me go ahead and get this radio put back in, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right guys, this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Look like we never even took this thing off. everything still works. I'm gonna finish setting this thing up. Now if you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and all the links will be in the description below to the radio, the dash kit, and all that stuff that I use. So until next time, this your boy JP signing out.